To your windscreen.
Well, first of all, I'd never get into the clothing business because the margins are terrible. Okay.
Surprise!
Oh, what's up? Mm-hmm.
Can I have my hand back? I need.
Sleep.
You can sleep on the floor.
Are you serious?
Oh, here. Don't worry. I got you a pillow.
No. Come on, Chase. Scoot over. Come on, make some room for me. Come on.
Oh. No, he stays.
Solo a ti su creador dominara todo lo creado. Cuando por desobediencia perdió tu amistad, no lo abandonaste al poder de la muerte.
¡Estás loco!
Morreu, Mica.
Meu Deus do céu. Que é isso, espoleta?
Vamos lá.
Hã?
Uau!
Ophelia!
Yes, your actions are weird, honey. Are you okay?
Oh my god.
The cat's nicked his bed.
Oh, so you just gonna lay on my bed with your legs open like you pay bills around here, sir? You don't pay no bills. When you start paying bills, then you can take a nap in the middle of the day. It's a pandemic, Jimmy.
Did you just get a collar with a bell? Let's see what your brother thinks.
Look at this awesome cat bed my cat has, but like instead he goes inside the bag.
Wait, really, Gandalf? Wait, what the hell? Gandalf! Gandalf! Beans are not for kitties!
Are you mad at him? What was that? Stop. Stop it. Stop. Stop, you're scaring me.
Mikey, you don't like the smell of onions, do you? Oh, honey. Mommy's crying.
Oh my god.
Mikey!
What the fuck?
I don't know what drugs you took this morning, but this is unacceptable behavior. Do you hear me? Kitten?
Beans, what's wrong?
You didn't like to fix sleep.
Look how grumpy you look.
Now I'm going home with Tom Allen. So thank you, Tom. I'll put this somewhere in my... Your face will be with me forever. Cuckoo.
Dude, you have been smelling this pen for way too long. What's the deal? What are you doing? Are you trying to shove the pen up your nose? What the heck is wrong with you, bro?